But I get scored on. I fuck. Oh, he got a flip reset. I missed the boost. Oh! Oh, God. Oh, I've played this guy Jumbo Shrimp. I'm pretty sure I lost to him. I think. I suck. Well. He's just letting me embarrass myself. Big challenge. Wait, did he? Okay, never mind. Oh, nope. Fuck me, man. Alright, he's got full boost. Okay. I'm stupid. Woo! What a shot. God damn it. Alright. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but it's fine. That's in. That's a good one right there. Beep! Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, wow. Oof. There we go. You gotta play fast, gotta play spat. Fuck. Why am I so good at life? He knew I wasn't gonna touch that. Wow. Okay. Blink. Nope. Yeah. Gotta conserve the boost here. Wow, he almost actually just used me. Yeah, I had a feeling he was gonna jump for that for some reason. There we go. He's not gonna let me. I'm just, what am I doing? Why am I not cutting him off? Whatever. I have not scored the best goals, to be honest, but straight working. Thanks. I'm giving him too much space again, dude. What am I doing? Giving him space to like control the fucking ball. What the fuck am I doing? See, I shouldn't have scored that. I just straight up shouldn't have scored on him. I don't know what he's saying. Okay. Oh.